Alright. I'm recording you.
No, I suck. I could never. I can't even roll blunts. Like, I suck at rolling. Oh, shit. Shit. I fucked up. I can already tell. Or you can tell that I fucked up. Like, you know when you just know that you fucked up?
Yeah.
Dude, I was listening to my voice in the other videos, and I was like, Mom, is that really how I sound? And she's like, yeah. And I was like, fuck. I sound like a fucking retard.
I sound like a man.
I sound like a stoner. Like, my voice is stoner-esque.
My voice is like manner-esque.
Manner-esque.
Yeah.
Is that even a word?
No, it is.
Alright, that's as good as that cigarette's gonna get.
Better than your last one.
My last one was bitchin'.
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 Betchin'. Bitchin'. Gonna eat your babies.
I'm a dinosaur. I am done.
Can I not stop? Wait, never mind.
No. What?
I don't know.
What?
Do you want me to stop recording or no?
Do you want to stop recording?
Do you want me to stop?
Do you want to smoke your cigarette and stop recording so you can smoke your cigarette?
I can do it at the same time.
Ooh,
But I think your mom took a lighter.
I have like 7. I just don't know where they are.
Okay.
And we always have a stove, if anything. You know what I mean, Jellybean? Yeah, this one is definitely not going up on MySpace. This one's gay. Oh, no one's online? What the fuck? Mike's never online anymore, dude. I think he blocked me. I really honestly do. Or he's just on Alicia's still.
Yeah, we're definitely not putting this on MySpace.
I fucking hate Michael King. Excuse me, Keith Michael King. I fucking hate him.
Why so?
Because, honestly, I don't even care that he doesn't like me. Honestly, I do not care. Like, I'm just done. Because I can find someone that... I already have found someone that likes me and that wants to be with me. So fucking what? You want to fucking date your psycho ex-fucking girlfriend who cuts herself nonstop and gets a piercing of your fucking name after, like, what, 3 days of knowing you?
A piercing?
Then go... I mean, a tattoo. A tat fucking too. Then go right on a fucking head, because I don't give a flying fuck. I just don't. I don't. Like, I can't find it in me to give a fuck about you, Mike. I can't. I cannot find it in me. In my heart. That was my heart. Like, in my heart. But no, I can't. Because, like, you're a fucking faggot. You're a mohawk fucking faggot. You're a faggot with a mohawk. Which right now looks horrible, by the way. I just want to let you know. It looks absolutely horrible. Like, honestly, if you really think you look cute, just because bitches want you, you're wrong. They want you because you have a car. And you have money sometimes. Sometimes, though. But you're selfish and you only buy yourself shit. So, I think it's just your car they like. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But you're not hot. Just want to... Oh, look at all the shit I got. I just want to let you know. And I'm done. That's done with that. But I don't love you, Keith. Michael King. Oh, shit. I have a message from him.
Great. What does it say?
I don't know.
You wrote him something?
It was a while ago. Chanel, you've already given up. That rehab was probably for nothing. As durable and meaningful I felt that letter was, in actuality, probably meant nothing. Life's fate. I get it. Almost like Romeo and Juliet, kind of. Ha ha. Everyone hates us together. Makes even trying impossible. That's kind of funny that I was just talking shit about him, and I get a message from him. That's kind of funny. I'm going to tell him that. No, I'm not. He's probably going to watch this and be like, oh, I know when she wrote that. Okay. Mike. Whatever I have.
Whatever, that's what it says.
Whatever. Not gonna slave over you. I don't hate you. In fact, I love you.
You're so dumb.
But I can't do this to myself.
But I can't keep doing this to myself.
Can't keep doing this to... Definitely not going on MySpace. Myself. No, well, that's good enough. And I'm done. Bam. Bitch. Some bitchin'. Oh, shit, I have a cigarette. Oh, I want to listen to music.
You put them under dumb bitches?
Who?
My boyfriend.
Yeah. I asked you. You asked me. You were there. You put it under dumb bitches. You did, not me.
I didn't know that. I forgot.
Oh shit. Did it even fucking send?
You have to refresh it, dipshit.
Ah! Did it send?
Go check your sent messages.
No.
Oh, you have to see his new pictures.
Who?
David.
Oh, I will. But I want to listen to music, bitch. Bitchin'.
Bitchin'.
Bitchin'. Ch-ch-chin. Ch-ch-chin. Chin. So last night's sex was good.